Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pink and purple smoky look. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and this is in the shade Warm Taupe. I'm just going to add that as a transition color right into my crease. And then I'm going to go into Love Letter, which is the bright reddish pink color in the palette, and add that right on top of it. So I didn't show it in the video, but I just went ahead and used the shade Tempera, which is like the matte tannish shade. I'm just going right under my brow bone, just kind of blend everything together. Going back in with that first reddish pink shade, Love Letter, I'm just taking a smaller pointed brush and adding it right into my crease. Now I am going in with Venetian Red, which is the darker red shade in the palette, and I'm just applying that right over the top of that. So pretty much you just want to keep packing on the color, and then I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that upwards, not too far up, but we do want to smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm picking up my MAC Cosmetics loose pigment, and this is in the shade Burnt Burgundy. I highly doubt this is still sold in stores or online. I got it such a long time ago, but any like dark plummy purple will work. So pretty much I'm just adding it right into the crease, not blending it upwards at all right now, and then I'm adding it right into like the tear duct area, and on the corners we're trying to make like a halo eye, so you're gonna leave the middle center open. Whenever I rewatch the videos of me doing my makeup, I always look super crazy-eyed. I don't know, I think we all look like that when we do our makeup, but I notice it more when I look back at the videos. But anyways, I just took a bigger fluffy brush and I kind of blended all the pink and purple shades together, and then I took a makeup wipe and just wiped away any excess that fell, because this purple and the pink shades are super messy. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX Jumbo pencil, and that is in the shade Milk, just to kind of brighten up the center again. Now I'm picking up my glitter glue and my MAC Reflex glitter in the shade Teal, and I'm adding that only right into the center of my eyelid. Now I'm taking my MAC eyeshadows and I'm just gonna drop everything all over the floor, and then I'm gonna be picking up the color Beauty Mark by MAC, and I'm just gonna add that right over the purple on the inner quarter and the outer quarter. Now I'm gonna be taking my liquid liner by NYX. This is just the regular black liner. Now I'm just going to be curling my lashes. I'm going to be getting them prepped for my falsies. And then I'm just going to be taking my mascara. This is the Lash Paradise mascara. You guys, if you have not tried this mascara, it is the best drugstore mascara I have ever tried. Now I'm just going to be applying some lashes. These are the Icon lashes, which are pretty pricey. Honestly, I probably will not buy them again. I still rather prefer my Dodo lashes. Alright, now that that is done, I'm going to be applying my MAC Strobe Cream. I got this as a sample because I bought a palette a few days ago. And I've never tried this, but honestly, it makes my skin feel so soft. It was actually in the shade Pink Light, I think. Now I'm just going to be picking up my Flower Beauty Sponge and my L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation, which I always use, and just apply that all over my face. Now I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, just applying that right underneath the eyes, on the chin, above the lip, and on the forehead. Now I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild contour stick, and I'm just going to apply that right into the creases of my cheeks, on the forehead, and a little bit on the chin as well. You guys, I have the world's biggest forehead. I swear I feel like I have the world's biggest forehead. So I always bronze my forehead. Now I'm just gonna be taking my Airspun powder. I really want to try the Laura Mercier one. I haven't tried that one, but honestly, this powder is only like $6 and it's lasted me for over a year using it almost every day. So I think I'm good with this one for now. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking my Kick-Ass powder by Soap & Glory. This is a really good translucent powder as well, and it doesn't give me flashback, and I usually use it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I use the shade right in the middle just to contour my cheeks and my forehead. Then I'm going to be taking my MAC Cosmetics bronzer, and this is the shade Blunt. I usually use this on my cheeks though, not as a bronzer. Alright, now I'm taking my ColourPop gel liner in the color Swerve. I always use this liner. And then I'm taking that same MAC pigment that we used for the inner and outer corner of the eyes and just dragging that along my waterline. Now I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Beam highlighter stick and just applying that right into the apples of my cheeks. You guys, if you want a super intense highlight, I highly recommend you get this product. I always put it underneath my powder highlights. Now I'm just taking my Urban Decay setting spray just to kind of dampen the face a little bit. And then I'm going to be adding my powder highlight, which is the LA Girl 120 watt highlighter. I was telling Eddie right here, I was like, damn, my highlight is bright. Now for lipstick for this video, I actually did a dark, bold lip, which I wish I didn't do. But this is in the shade Court K by Kylie Cosmetics. Add a little something extra to the look. I decided to put little purple gems underneath my eyes. Alright, that completes this anti-Valentine's Day look. If you want to see more looks for Valentine's Day, let me know in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!